A judge in Lower Manhattan rejecting Daniel Penny's request to dismiss the charges against him. The Marine veteran facing involuntary manslaughter charges for choking a man to death in subway car during a confrontation. An angry crowd gathered at the courthouse this morning to demand Penny face justice. Eyewitness News reporter Anthony Carlo with more from Lower Manhattan.
Daniel Penny's entrance was uneventful, but as he exited court, he was confronted.
We got a murderer!
Murderer, protesters shouted as they chased after his vehicle. This video still fresh in their minds. Penny accused of choking Jordan Neely to death on the subway last May. The defense seeking to dismiss the case, citing petrified passengers who testified that Neely was insanely threatening until Penny stepped in. Prosecutors hit Penny with a top charge of manslaughter. The judge declined the motion to dismiss the case today.
His attorneys tried to get the judge to overrule that, to say that what the grand jury said didn't matter. But the judge didn't do that. The judge said Daniel Penny will face these charges.
Neely's family attorney calling the decision a win beside the victim's father outside of Manhattan court. The defense today also requesting additional testing to determine the level of synthetic cannabinoids in Neely's blood.
Whether or not he had marijuana in his system, it doesn't make a difference. He was killed for no reason.
Penny, who claims self-defense, is accused of holding Neely in a chokehold for 6 minutes, even after he went limp. Witnesses vary in their accounts of Neely's erratic behavior. Some fearful recall Neely saying, "Someone is going to die today." Another passenger testified, "I wasn't really worried. I'm kind of used to that." The case stoking political and racial tensions, but today's decision?
It's a win for Jordan's family. It's a win for the people who stood on that subway platform and stopped the trains from moving.
Penny's attorneys disagree with the court's decision, writing in part, "We are confident that a jury aware of Danny's actions in putting aside his own safety to protect the lives of his fellow riders will deliver a just verdict." Now, that next court date set for March 20th, where we expect to hear more about pretrial evidence, with the trial that both sides feel very confident about tentatively coming this fall.